So we are about to go to new homes tour. How many transactions you working on this today?
Third one.
Third transaction. Kirsten, this is her first 3-4 weeks joining the team after you pass the VIP buyers.
2 months.
2 months. It's been 2 months. Close over 3 transactions this week, doing very well. So today we are about to our new homes construction tour, right? Is there any tips, Kirsten, for people who's buying a new home?
A tip.
Oh.
Is it based online?
Homes that's not available online, right? So when Kirsten here, when the people are buying homes with our team, in addition to homes that you can see online, we have access to homes that match your criteria that's not available online.
Yes.
That sounds too good to be true, Kirsten. Like, what do you mean? Can you just explain, what do you mean when we talk about homes that's not available online that match our clients' criteria?
It literally means that we can find the homes that are not online, not available in the market, but yet if it fits to my client's criteria, then we're gonna go find a home.
That sounds too good to be true, right? I mean, like, there's so many real estate agents, everybody basically just emailing home from the MLS. The buyers can see the homes online. So when you and I stand here and saying that you have access to homes that's not available online that match your criteria, that sounds like you're just making it up. But can you share from your 3 transactions this week? So that way, like real life story, how do you help the buyers' clients find homes that match their criteria that's not available online?
Well, first of all, we have inside clients. We have a huge database that owns homes. And if we have like those pocket listings that match our criteria, then we're going to show that homes. Also, we contact our title company and get the information from them that it matches criteria, and then we'll go visit those homes to see if we can show those homes to our clients.
Because you are able to negotiate your fees. You are not entitled to, our team, we are not entitled to what's on the MLS. The reason most real estate agents only show homes that's available online, because that's how they get paid. That's all, right? So we are about to go. Okay, see you.
Right.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Okay, so we are about to go to our new homes tour, not available online, and we'll buy yours. So how the program works is that if you have a house to sell, typically the biggest challenge in new homes is that the buyers have 5-9. We have access to homes that's not available online. Yeah, we still waiting for somebody? Hi. How are you doing?
I need to double check the address.
Okay, hold on. The person is coming, okay? All right. So we are about to go to Orange County now. Those are some of the new developments that we are touring today. Some of the benefits working with our new home specialists is that obviously you have access to homes that match your criteria that's not available online. But to top it off, imagine saving at least $10,000 when you buy new home. You save $10,000 when you buy new homes, guaranteed, or I'll pay you $1,000 cash. So if you're thinking of making a move now and you still have a house, all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, call 626-789-0159. Well, how it's going to happen is that I'm going to put an offer on your home. So that way it allows you to put an offer on the new home that's no longer subject to the sale of, right? And we have access to all this new construction all over LA County, Orange County. We have access to homes that's not available online, including bank foreclosure, short sales, for sale by owners, homes that's previously listed, new construction, homes that are hard to find online. And the way it works, how it works is that you call 626-789-0159. Then we set up about 30-40 minutes appointment so we can meet, so we know exactly what is it that you're looking for. Then we're gonna do a search and match analysis to the properties that we have. Then we're gonna customize the homes that match your criteria. That's how. So it takes about 30-40 minutes on the initial meeting. Not only we give you access to homes, then we also position your offer be as good as cash, so it's more likely to get accepted. So this is our new homes bus tour. This is Hey, just say
how are
hi.
you?
Where are we going today?
Hi. We're going to a new home tour.
We are going
Irvine.
to Irvine with the gang here. So we are talking about giving access to homes, and including when you buy this new home today, you're guaranteed to save at least $10,000.
Sure, yeah.
Okay, so who is this? This is, check it out, Miss Mandy and Karen. Mandy's always on the phone. I'm not sure if she's really on the phone or every time I'm closer to her.
No, I'm
she's
really talking to
Oh, okay.
Everyone ready? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, we're all ready, Todd. Thank you.
All right, let's go.
All right, and check it out. Without new, I don't know. We're all gonna be squeezed in my van because I forgot to get this bus actually. So Stella and Mary. All right, guys. That's it. So you are planning to make a move? Call 626-789-0159.